How far you go?
No, never be lost.
Make me this collar so that I can talk, squirrel. Hi there. Bring home the #1 animated Doug's special mission.
Oh.
What was that?
Anything you want to say? Welcome. I see. That's it.